Fucking hell, here he is, boys. The only man I trust with graphics. I heard you got a thing of beauty to show me. Fucking hell. How is he? Jesus. Literally brand new. Wow. Incredible. Time has come to fit this beauty to the CR. Got all the parts needed. This washer was almost impossible to find, and I got some new old stock from America, so I got 2 of them. They're very difficult to find the exact one, the exact match. A couple of O-rings, got this, and almost forgot the pipe springs. Okay, we've made some really good progress this weekend. We've installed an hour meter from Works Connection with the mount, which is pretty cool. Got fully working throttle, brake, master cylinders all attached. You have a clutch, kill switch. So I think we're ready to start mounting the plastics back on. So, like with most restoration builds, you run into some teething problems. Unfortunately, we have a leak from the radiator. These were repaired and pressure tested, so I'm not quite sure why it's leaking, but it's happening unfortunately. So I'm in touch with the company now to see what they can do to fix it. Hopefully nothing too major. Okay, so that awesome time has come, and I can finally build these wheels. Got the used spokes for the front rim here, which I'll be keeping, and then some brand new spokes for the rear. Bulldog spokes from SM Pro. So get these bad boys built up, and then the freshly polished rims. Cannot wait. Well, the time has come to finally put the wheels on. Been waiting for this day for so long. Everything ready, discs, bolts, cogs. Alrighty, so we are almost ready. It's not 100% yet. Still waiting on the brake pedal from Dockwall. Possibly a few other minor things, but we are ready to fire this beast up for the first time in over a year. And last but not least, got to fit the crown jewels of the build, the PC pipe. Wow. And we have a genuine Honda. It's all together. Final piece of the puzzle, the brake pedal. It's been completely refurbished by Dr. Watt. Get a closer look at this thing. Got that. So all the pivot bolt hole has been redone, and the clevis pin, and we have a titanium tip here, which is beautiful. Got that. Super pleased with this. The last piece of the puzzle. So now I can bleed the brakes and actually test ride this beast. Very happy. Thank you, Doc Wob. So, the CR arrives in Greece, but not without problems. I went to finish the final job, which was to bleed the brakes, but we seemed to have an issue. The rear master cylinder would not bleed and kept leaking. I rebuilt the cylinder with all new seals, but it just wouldn't play ball, so I took it down to the local shop, where Elias tried to diagnose the problem. It took a while, but it appeared that the brand new seals I purchased did not fit properly despite being sold as a rebuild kit for a 93. Fortunately, months before, I had bought a spare master cylinder, so we just made good out of that. And finally, the CR was ready.